Take a ride in the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, overhead console, cloth seat trim. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.